Good morning, I'm chefvary from Florence. I'm here for present you, explain you how you can make one of the most important dish that we have in Florence, Pappa al Pomodoro, that you can call bread tomato soup, but it's so much more than bread tomato soup. I'm chefvary. I have a cooking school in Florence with my husband, and we make also the streaming live cooking class. And in our presentation today, we would like to explain not only how it's made this fabulous dish, but why you need to use a very specific ingredient. 4 simple ingredients for this dish. Bread without salt from Tuscany, ripe tomatoes, garlic, fresh basil, black pepper, and logically extra virgin olive oil. Why this bread? The bread needs to be Tuscan bread because it's the bread completely without salt. It's very important. Don't use any other bread. It's a unique when we want to make the Tuscan dish. Tomatoes ripe because it's important that they are very ripe. Our sauce needs to become very red. And just a little bit garlic. You need to think that this is one dish that comes from country, so very, very, very simple. Now we take our tomatoes, we boil a little bit, just the time that we can see this part open and we can decide to preserve or not the skin. We put in the water. It's about few minutes. In the same time we prepare our main ingredients. Bread, it's different, so when I cut, it's a compact, it's not like other bread. We prepare our garlic, quantitative, depend how much you like, honestly, because it's very personal. Keep in mind that the garlic that I use today, it's a fresh garlic, so it's one garlic that don't have again the green soul in the middle, so it's a little bit more light. You take off the skin, you can see, I like pieces like this. Here, extra virgin olive oil. This dish loves extra virgin olive oils. No onion, no carrots, no celery, nothing, very simple. Our tomatoes are done, you can see. We squeeze very well our tomato. You need to wait that they arrive at room temperature for don't burn your hand, you can see. We like to preserve the skin and seeds. This is my personal touch. You can decide to take off, but this is very rustic. They use the hand in the kitchen. Turn on the gas where we have our oil and garlic. We wait till the oil and garlic start to become a little bit hot. Pappa al Pomodoro need to be very red. I love when it's very red, okay? If you like, you can smash the garlic. Don't add now the basil, you lose the flavor. We like the basil fresh, you need to feel the flavor of basil. Okay. The sound of the garlic, if you cook too much, the garlic become bitter. So just a little bit. Now I add my tomatoes, salt. I suggest you to try anytime because the food is very personal. Black pepper. In Tuscany, we love to use a black pepper. The traditional one want the black pepper. So we add. In the same time, you can decide to add little bit water or little bit stock. Already done. We take care of our bread. I like to leave a little bit of the crunch that it's outside. Chop, if you like, the melt faster. Our tomatoes boil, you can see. We take our bread, we put directly in our tomatoes. We want to soak very well. We turn off. We need to leave about 40 minutes and after I show you what's happened. We are back now. It's a 45 minutes that I leave the bread soak. The bread melt. It's fabulous. The last touch comes from our basil. I like to put the fresh basil like this. You need to feel the flavor of basil. The smell is fantastic. The flavor is very unique. We serve in this way. extra virgin olive oil in top. I like to add a little bit extra black pepper. And our fantastic tomato soup is done. Buon appetito! Thank you for staying with me. Simple food for a great dinner.